Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah from The Charming Detroiter. Today I'm really excited. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my kind of phase one closet renovation, I guess you could say. I kind of did some upgrades to my closet area that I wanted to share with you guys, and then I'm kind of going to walk through what our long-term plan is for the closet. So let's kind of hop right into the video. So I was just about to start organizing and moving things around in my closet, and I thought that I would do like a video of this and show you guys like how I'm kind of cleaning up and reorganizing for the fall. So it is quite a mess in here right now because I just started taking everything out, and like I've got Nordstrom's anniversary sale clothes like piling up that need to go away. So this is my closet right now. I'll kind of show you guys. So I have to be quiet because Sophie is sleeping, but when you come up our stairs, you turn to the left and then kind of walk into our master suite. And so this is like a whole kind of dressing room area with this like long kind of awkward skinny closet. It goes like all the way back around the corner. So this is basically my space, and then we have a dresser here that we share, and then we also have another walk-in closet here, and then like a regular kind of closet in this section. So our plan eventually is that we want to do built-ins along this wall, and hopefully built-ins kind of knock this wall out and do built-ins all along this section as well. But for right now, I kind of wanted to do like a mini closet makeover. So this is kind of the state of things now, and I'm going to show you guys like what my plans are for kind of reorganizing everything. The first step is I just purchased this Wyndham 2-door accent cabinet from Target. So I'm gonna put that together, hopefully by myself. We're gonna see if I can do it without asking Rob. And then that's gonna go right here. So I'm gonna plan on putting like accessories and other kinds of things in there. And then I'm hopefully gonna do some sort of like hooks on the wall with maybe some hats. So kind of maximizing storage space right now. Alright, project done. Now to put some stuff in there. Alright, so let's kind of see the finished product for now. So this is walking into our closet area from our master bedroom over here. So it's a little bit of an odd setup right now, and we do have a lot of plans I'm going to kind of walk you guys through what the long-term plan is. But this little area over here now is sort of like hats and scarves. So I filled this actually with a bunch of my like winter kind of thicker scarves down here, and some hats and some headbands. I love my little Elizabeth Taylor quote. And then I actually got, these are really cute. Let me show you guys. I got these little hooks. So they're like white and gold, just like wall hooks. And then put a few of my hats up there, which I think looks really cute right when you walk in the door. So this is like the door to our hallway where like the stairs are and everything. So it's kind of what is it when you first walk in. And then I rearranged things over here. So I brought this chair into here, which was actually in our bedroom before. But it's in an area where I'm going to show you guys in a second where we're going to put some closets instead. So I'm going to keep it here for now instead. And then I switched out my clothing rack for all my fall favorites. I love doing this each season. I think it's like really great because it allows me to feel like really inspired by the different seasonal pieces that I have. So I have like my vest and like some shirts. I love this one. I got this a couple years ago in Disney World actually. And then some of my favorites from the Nordstrom sale. Loving these leather shorts still while I can wear them with the weather still. Then I have some of my like photo equipment over there. There's really not a good place for it right now, but I do have plans for kind of where to put that shortly. And then over here, we put this dresser actually in here when we moved in. So we have like some of Rob's stuff, and then my jewelry is in the top drawer, and then I keep a bunch of my jeans and stuff in there. So this is kind of my jewelry perfume display. So I hang all of my favorite necklaces here, my favorite earrings and such, and then I have all of my bracelets lined up here, and then some of my favorite perfumes. This one I actually just got, the Dahlia Divin by Givenchy. I got this from Sephora recently, and I am obsessed with this. It is so nice. I'm gonna be reviewing it actually in my upcoming fall beauty haul video. So then in here, it's like pretty messy. I'll just show you guys like a little snippet. But basically this is my closet right now. So it's like pretty basic. I bought those shoe organizers, which are amazing from the Container Store actually, but this kind of shelving was already built in, and then like a long rack. There's some more shelving at the back. But basically this goes like all the way around like to here. So that door that I showed you is like right out there. Hey Audrey. So Rob and I have been talking recently. We are considering redoing our closets shortly. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to walk through like what our plans are, kind of short / medium term. So let me take you guys into the bedroom first. So we have this little alcove that's like slanted ceiling. It's like right off that's like the hallway where the closet was. And this is such a waste of space, I think. So we keep our dog crates there right now, a bunch of other junk over there, but it's just a lot of wasted space. So our plan is actually to put in a whole thing of built-ins. Actually, we'll show you guys. Got these sample doors. I think this is the one we're gonna pick. So this is like kind of a gray shaker style. So I think that'll be really nice, like kind of built in that whole section. I think it'll be way more functional than it is now, and we'll just kind of relocate our dog crates elsewhere. So that's kind of the step one, like phase one of the closet reno. And then along with it, so this is like the gray, and then they also have the same shaker style in white. So what we're probably gonna do is put built-ins all along this kind of alcove, and then knock out this whole, ooh, it's so blurry. Then knock out this whole wall, like section here, as long as it's not like foundational or anything. And then there's enough space we've kind of measured where you could put built-ins along that whole wall up until like right about where this dresser ends right here. So that would all be built-ins, and then this section would be like 2 tall built-ins and then a little dressing kind of vanity section in the middle. And I'm thinking like I might be able to store some of my photography equipment then in one of those larger cabinets. But I kind of love that idea. There's some kind of logistical things we need to work out in terms of like electrical, and that is our attic door, which would be like right where we need to put the cabinets. So there's a few like big things that need to happen here first, and then this is my husband's closet, so probably I'd like to replace the system in there. It's just like one of those annoying like wire systems, and then put like a barn sliding door. I think it'll be really cute there. This closet I'm not quite sure about yet. We might just kind of get new doors and call it a day. Or I was also thinking this would be kind of a cool like linen closet space actually, but we'll kind of see what we decide in terms of space. So that's kind of like a little mini tour of my closet, how it kind of is set up now, and some of the like little touches that I did recently. But we are kind of thinking about maybe working on phase one of our closet renovation, like the built-ins in our bedroom first, pretty soon, maybe this winter. So I will keep you guys updated on the whole process, and then hopefully this whole section will get its day soon. So if you guys like this video, make sure that you comment below, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up below, that you subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye friends. Obligatory puppy shot. Puppy number 1, puppy number 2.